welcome in the management at BLS International. Shikhar Aggarwal is now with us. Sir, the revenue potential from the recent tie-up that you have done, can you just talk to us more about that, the potential, the pipeline? How do you see more such tenders coming in?
Yeah. Hi. As you know, in the last quarter, we have done a revenue of 434 crores, which is almost a 95% jump from similar quarter last year. And EBITDA, we've achieved an EBITDA of 66.3 crore, which is more than 160% jump from similar quarter last year. This revenues, whatever we have achieved in the last quarter is still only on the back of 70% of the application count, which is back from pre-COVID level. So we still expect countries like China and Russia to fully open up to add further 30% of the application count, which will lead to an increase in revenue and profitability of the company. This new contract that we have recently won with the Polish embassy in Manila, wherein we have to open two offices in Cebu and Manila, is the first time we are going to work with the Poland government. And after this, Poland government is going to come out with the outsourcing contracts in different parts of the world. So definitely this will add on in the revenue for Philippines in that country where we are operating, and definitely lead to an increase in global revenue. But main advantage is the new contracts that are coming out. We will be eligible by the Polish government and can have a good market share going forward.
What is the volume expected? You expect, as you were saying, that a lot of tenders, a lot of areas you're not seeing, back to pre-COVID level. You think that can turn pretty fast in the next year?
Correct, definitely. If you see, a lot of countries which are fully opened up are already back to pre-COVID level. In fact, they are we are doing more application than pre-COVID level in some countries, but we've already been given mandate by the government to open up our operations in China to expand our reach again to pre-COVID levels. So definitely we expect numbers to again come in from next year itself. But not only that, if you see the contracts that we have recently won, like the German government, the Polish government that we have won, the different contracts with Estonian, Philippine government, and the upcoming tenders that we are bidding and participating in, which are gradually showing results, which is a opportunity of $2.5 billion, which includes developed countries like UK, Canada, Europe, US government. So if you combine all these opportunities, there's a big growth potential within the company. On top of that, if you see the cash on the books, we are also looking and also in the finalization of some acquisition opportunities.
Right, Shikhar. Hi, this is Ankita joining in. Shikhar, tell us what is going to be the market share gain, expected market share gain, and of course, what is the potential and the pipeline for more such tender wins?
Correct. So, Ankita, as we stand, our market share is currently 12 to 15% globally. And, definitely our market share with these new wins that we have won in the last 1 year is poised to increase as in when those applications start coming and we roll out the full contracts. But if you talk about the contract renewal, the 50% market is going to come out for contracts again, and which are currently in the tendering process also. So definitely if we manage to win, at least 25 to 30% of that tendering, which is up for retender, which is mostly of our competition, definitely we can gain market share much further from that in our visa counselor business. We've also seen a good growth in our banking correspondent and the e-governance business.
All right, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time for us and telling us about what's the way ahead as far as new contracts and winning of volume is concerned.